OHN, this is Oriental Herbal nutrient. It's used for plants, animals, and humans too. It could OHN helps to like get rid of pathogens, diseases, ailments. This could help boost your immune system. You could take a little bit of this every day. I can't open the jar right now because it's made with sugar in the fermentation process, and I got some on the lid and it's stuck. But it's really great stuff. Humans can take just a little bit every day to help boost their immune system. You can put like about 4 mils of this into a gallon of water and water your plants with it just once in a while, maybe once every couple of weeks or maybe once a month to help boost their immune system. Also, if, like for your cats, for example, or your plants, or if you have livestock, you could give just a little bit of this into the water and it'll help boost their immune system.
So how do you make that? How do you go about making that right there?
If you've seen the video, he uses big jugs, and I've done the same thing, so I've made so much. I would recommend anyone doing this at home to try to go with smaller jugs and smaller amounts. But you take ingredients like angelic root, cinnamon, ginger, garlic, and I used turmeric too. Not everybody uses turmeric in their OHN recipe, but I've used it in mine because he had recommended it on his YouTube page, or his YouTube video when he made it at the time. So I added it into mine because I did exactly as he did. And turmeric's really great for your heart and your blood anyway, so why not add it in with the rest of your OHN? This is something that's been used for centuries, just as a tonic to help people feel better. But it could also be given to like plants and animals to help boost their immune system, help them feel better as well. So some of the ingredients are dry. You rehydrate them by letting them soak in beer. And you can taste the different beers in people's different OHNs. Like I have used IPA beer. A friend, my friend Matt, Mile High Gardener, he had used stout, which actually tastes much better than mine. And so the other ingredients, once you're done hydrating those ingredients, you move on to the next step, which is to put all the ingredients into a big jar of alcohol. And you let that sit it takes a long time. Like, I forgot how long it took me, but it was over a month. I remember I wrote all the dates down, but I went in there every single day and stirred those jars every day to mix the ingredients around. And then you strain it through a strainer. Then you put the ingredients back in, and then you fill the jar back up a third of the way, and then you add more alcohol to the jar, and then you let that sit for another, I think 2 weeks or something. If you want more details, you got to check out his YouTube page because it'll have all the information.
And then do you dilute it down before giving your plants, and how often do you give to the plants?
So this is, in this way, it's straight alcohol, and you would give it like just 4 milliliters per gallon of water, and you don't need to give it to your plants often. Maybe if you gave it to them once a week, once every other week would be fine. Foliar spraying is great too.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.